Okay, for part A, we have to find how many gallons of water enters the tank during the time interval 0 to 7. To do this, we can just take the integral of our function, which is 100 t squared sine squared of t, to find how much water is there. And when we do that, we get 8,264 gallons. For part B, we need to find on the interval of t, 0 to 7, for which time interval during which the amount of water in the tank is decreasing. To do this, we can create a function r of t to figure out when g of t is greater than f of t. We do this to find our critical points, to then determine where the function is decreasing. So when we do this, we get critical points to be t equals 1.617 and 5.076. Now that we have our critical points, we can create a sign chart. So we use our endpoints of 0 and 7 as well as the critical points that we just found, and then we can determine where the function is increasing and decreasing. So we get the function is decreasing between 0 and 1.617 as well as 3 and 5.076, and increasing at 1.617 to 3 and 5.076 to 7. For part C, we need to find what time t the amount of water in the tank is greatest. To do this, we just need to find out where the function changes from decreasing to increasing, or from positive to negative. So we can create a chart to do this, and using our endpoints and the point in the graph where it is changing from increasing to decreasing, we can find out the amount of water in the tank at those points. So at 0 we are given it's 5,000. At 3 we can do the integral plus the initial value to get 5,126.591, and at 7 we can do the same thing to find that it's 4,517. So this now gives us that the amount of water in the tank is greatest at t equals 3.